Hi guys, I would like to welcome you to my year-round gardening video course. My name is Rick Stone and I'm a gardening fanatic. My wife and I love to garden, and we love to garden year-round. We love to be able to have fresh homegrown garden vegetables available for us to eat any day of the year. But we have a catch with that. We live in a city just south of Salt Lake City, Utah, and our garden is technically in a USDA Zone 5B. If you look at the map, we're really a Zone 6, but because of where we live in the valley, we live close to the river, down at the low point of the valley, and that means that we get frost and freezing temperatures a lot earlier than everybody else in our area. So I technically consider us a Zone 5B. We have frost as early as September 25th and sometimes as late as June 10th. And so we have kind of a compressed garden season. Now, my garden season is nothing compared to someone that lives in a Zone 3 where you may only have 60 days of the year where you're frost free. But we still have, on a good year we have maybe 140 days that are frost free. Most years it's more like 120. So that kind of gives you an idea of where we live. But it turns out that if you do a little planning and you find some simple structures to protect your crops, you can stretch your garden harvest out for 12 months of the year and have fresh vegetables available for you to eat any time of the year. So who is this course for? This course is designed for anyone that lives in an area that has cold, freezing temperatures in the wintertime. Now, you're going to benefit from this course whether you live in a Zone 3 or a Zone 7. If you've got freezing temperatures in the wintertime, you'll benefit from the principles that are taught here. It's not just for someone that has long winters, it's for anyone that has freezing temps in the wintertime. Whether you have snow or not, if you just have frost, things like that, you're still going to benefit from this course. Now, if you live in southern Florida, you're probably growing tomatoes in January, and I'm jealous of you, and I'm probably really not going to be able to help you much if you live in an environment like that. But anybody that has those cold winter temperatures, so we're talking anyone in North America, Europe and Asia, and down even in the southern latitudes where they have freezing temperatures in Australia and New Zealand and areas like that. Anybody that has cold winter temperatures is going to benefit from the principles that are taught in this course. I'm going to teach you what you need to know to grow lettuce in December and carrots and spinach in January. I'm going to teach you how to have the earliest peas and broccoli and things like that in the springtime, and how to get those spring crops out of the way so that you have room for your summer crops. I'm going to teach you what you need to do to extend your garden harvest well into the fall. So we're looking at kind of a year-round principle. We're going to talk about spring gardening, a little bit about summer gardening, but then fall and winter gardening as well, so that we can stretch that garden harvest out for the 12 months of the year. And the nice thing about all of this is we're going to do it with simple, inexpensive structures. We're not talking about $5,000 heated greenhouses that are going to help us to do these principles. We're talking about $20 hoop houses or maybe $50 to $100 cold frames that are going to help you preserve your crops through those cold winter times. So that's what we're covering in this course. If you've already bought the course, thank you very much. Welcome to the group. We're super happy to have you. If you're watching this introduction video to see if you would like to buy the course, then please join us. We have a great group of students. We're building more and more students every day, and we have a great community. We're going to have lots of resources. The course content for this course is going to be over 3 hours long. Lots of stuff. We're going to cover year-round gardening in depth and really dig into it and really have a good, strong knowledge of what you need to do to stretch out your garden harvest. So please join us.